They had never been on an airplane before and are feeling a little nervous. Suddenly, an electric storm struck, and the pilot announced that they need to land immediately before a lightning hits the fuselage. Sebastian does not know what fuselage means and wants to know if the situation is serious. So he called his scientist friend, Einstein, to learn more in this time of tremendous uncertainty. Einstein has done a lot of research about planes on his supercomputer. He was happy to tell Sebastian everything about airplanes. The design of airplanes is based on the shape of a flying bird. Most plane wings and fuselage look similar to the wings and body of birds. Airplanes might have lots of different styles and looks, but they all have the same main parts. They include the wings, which allow the plane to lift into the air, the propeller, the spinner, the engine, the fuselage or main body of the plane where the passengers and cargo sit, the flap, tail, rudder, and elevator, which helps steer the plane up, down, and sideways, and the cockpit, which is where the pilots sit. On December 17, 1903, the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright, made the first successful airplane that carried a man and landed safely. The flight took place in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. Before they invented the plane, the Wright brothers owned and operated a bicycle shop in Ohio. They had always been very interested in learning about all sorts of machines. Planes use the air for transportation, but it is important to know what air is made out of. Many people think that air is nothing, but air is a mixture of different gases: oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. All things that fly need air. Air has power to push and pull on the birds, balloons, kites, and planes. Air has weight. Airplane wings are curved on the top, which makes air move faster over the top of the wing. The air moves slower underneath the wing. The air pushes up from below, while the faster air pushes down from the top. This forces the wings to lift up into the air. There are 5 main types of planes: commercial, general aviation, military, seaplanes, special purpose planes. There are commercial jets with up to 4 engines. 90% of commercial planes have 2 engines because they are cheaper. Most general aviation planes have 2 to 6 seats and 1 engine. They are used for different purposes: teach students how to fly a plane, take pictures from a high-up view, transportation, enjoyment, planting seeds, counting animals from the air. Military planes are used by the military to attack the enemy or to carry soldiers and equipment. Most seaplanes have floats instead of wheels that allow them to stay on the water. Special purpose planes are planes that have special purposes, such as performing tricks in shows, or spraying chemicals on crops, or used to carry water and put out forest fires. Einstein's explanation of planes was great, but by the time he finished talking, Zulu and Sebastian's plane had already landed in a beautiful and isolated island in the middle of the ocean. Although they were happy to learn about planes, the only planes they had to worry about in the island were the ones that flew over the island, blocking their suntan sessions. Look for the hands-on project on our website at www.brainopolis.org. And remember, the more you play, the more you learn.